Hi everyone, welcome back. So today is just a quick little unboxing. Um, this is to share with you my design team die package from Erica, Scrap Diva Designs. Here's her card and all of her information. So she's on Instagram and TikTok, and there's the email and the YouTube, and yeah, and her website is scrapdivadesigns.com. So I'll list the website and all the dies that I'll be showing you. I will list them below. So thank you so much, Erica, for sending me these. This looks like a fun batch of things to use. So let's get started. So first off, I have this little one right here. Look how cute that is. And all that on this side. So what this one is called mini gingerbread dolls. So it looks like it makes a boy and a girl. We got dresses and bows and yeah, scarves, drips for the frosting and all kinds of fun stuff. So that should be fun to play with. So that is that one. Okay. Next, we have this one. And this one is called Heart Card / Tag. So I guess you can make a heart card and tag out of it. That looks interesting. That should be fun. Oh, there's another. So let me see. Is it two different sizes? Is that what it is? Yeah, it looks like two different sizes. It looks like the same things, just two different sizes. Looks like. We got an outer layer and then a stitched layer also. And that looks really cute. Some hearts. Yeah, that looks really cute. So that'll be fun to play with, especially for Valentine's. Nice. Okay. Next up is this one. Okay, this one is called the bow banner. So we got the banner piece right here, and then we have stitched layers to go on top of these, bows to go on top of these, other little bows to layer up. Really cute. That will be really fun across a card. Really pretty. Or the top of a bag topper. Really pretty. Is a fun one. And then this one is called Cuddle Weather. So it's got the word cuddle and weather and a couple snowflakes. It's got the word and it's got the shadow piece also. A couple little hearts over here. Cute. Okay, next up I got this one that's Cookies for Santa. So again, with the words, and then it has the shadow piece also for the background. Some snowflakes and then a little like leaves and berries right there. Really cute. And then we have this cute set here, and this is what it looks like. So it's got the big version and the smaller version, and this one is called Santa Bow Set. I've seen some people making stuff with this, and it's so cute. I'm glad I got this one to try out. This is really, really cute. Really cute. I love it. You can layer up the boots on the pants. So cute. Okay. And then the next one I have is this one. I've been seeing quite a few people using this one too. Really fun. It's got these layering bows and layering pieces back there too. This is called Present. The present die. So it's got it outlined, and then layering pieces also, layering up pieces for the bows and for that bow. Really cute. Okay, so there's that one. And then lastly, I have this one, which is called the shopping bag. So that'll be fun. I've been seeing a lot of cute projects with this one too. This piece I think goes up here, and then you can put your like ribbon and handle through there. And then this is the layered up tag, and that's the side piece. Really cute. So I'm excited to play with all of these. Thank you, Erica, so much for sending me this pack of dies to try. I really think they're going to be a lot of fun. So everybody, I will list Erica's information, which you probably mostly know, but just for somebody new watching, I'll be listing her website, and then I'll put links. So it'll be linked to the website and linked to all of her the sets that I have here. Okay, and she's got a new website up too. I checked it out before, because some of these were, I wasn't sure what the names of these, the official name was to go where, where to tell you to go look for it at. So I looked them up, and yeah, nice new website. So how fun. All right, so that's the end of this video, and I'll be back with some projects to share with you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.